Ava from Caffeinated Curator, and today I'm opening a new box called Music Library, which inspires a love of learning through music and reading, which are two of my favorite subjects. Let's open it up and see what's inside. I'm so excited. Inside, we have our booklet, which tells us all about the box. This month's box is based off the book Wild Symphony by Dan Brown. Then at the bottom, there's an exclusive access code for additional resources. Then inside, it tells us about the instruments we are going to be learning about this month, which is the guiro and the tambourine and a symphony. Next, we have our book, Wild Symphony. Then we have a guiro and tambourines. Then we have finger puppets. Oh, and look! There's an elephant on the book cover, and there's an elephant finger puppet. And here, there's an armadillo playing the guiro. Then, last but definitely not least, we have our worksheets. Goes with our book. I'm so excited to try out this box. It looks so fun. Make sure to like and subscribe and watch all of our videos to see what we're up to. See you later. Bye!